welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed video number 1, our Friend Like Me beginner dance combination. So now we're moving on to our intermediate, our second dance piece, which this is really fun. And it just so happens that this one is also from Disney. We are going to do We're All in This Together from High School Musical. So this is a really, really fun, upbeat piece. There's a lot of movement, so it's a little bit harder than the last piece, but I think you guys will be able to get it. So here we go. Let's do this. So this is going to start right on the chorus when they sing, "We're all in this together." And there's a whole bunch of lines. So here we go. Right at the beginning, when we sing "We're all in this together," we're going to bounce to the right and then bounce to the left. So we're going to go, "We're all in on this together." We're going to take our right foot and we're going to do a back step together. And what we're going to do with our arms is we're just going to throw them and together. So again, here we go. We sing, "We're all in this together." For the next part, we're going to take a step to the right. We're going to cross our right arm over our head. We're going to tap our foot and snap our finger. And then we're going to do the same thing to the left. We're going to go cross and tap. So again, the whole thing goes, "We're all in this together once we know that we are." This is the first verse. So on "once we know," you're going to step your right foot out and we're going to present our hands to the audience. "Know that we are," you're going to do right hand, left hand, and then open, nice and big. So it's really, really fast. So you just got to think right, left, out. So we do "once we know that we are." On "We're All Stars," we're going to bring our right foot into our left, and we're going to do a big sunburst with our arms. And then the last part of this verse is we sing "and we see that." So we're going to take our hands in front of our face, nice big jazz fingers, and we're going to push away from our face as we do that little back step together. And that's the first verse. So you only got 3 more to learn. So here we go, just the first verse again. We sing, "We're all in this together once we know that we are. We are all stars and we see that." Cool, good job, guys. So we only got 3 more verses to learn. So here we go, verse 2. We sing, "We're all in this together, and it shows when we stand hand in hand." So here we go. We're going to do that same little step touch that we did before, but we're going to do different arms this time. So we're going to bring both our arms up, and then we're going to tap, and then both and tap. So it's kind of similar to this one, except now you're doing both arms. So once you do one to the right and one to the left, you're going to do a big circle with your arms. So you're going to take your right arm on top of your left, and we're going to go circle this with your left arm on top, and then we're going to go circle the other way, and with our right arm on top. And while we do that, we're going to step to the side. So we're going to go step together, step together. So the beginning of that verse again looks like this. "We're all in this together once," and it shows, sorry, I get all the words confused because there's a million verses. "And it shows when we stand." So you're going to bring your arms out and your feet go out as well. "And it shows when we stand," you're going to do right, left, and then on hand in hand, you're going to go right, left, and then "make our dreams." Go right, left, and then you're going to say the word "come," but you're not going to say "true," because it's going to go right into verse 3. So again, the whole thing for this verse looks like this. "We're all in this together, and it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come. So it's a really fast sunburst. So let's try putting both of these verses together without stopping. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're all in this together. Once we know that we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come. Good job, guys. And you're gonna have to excuse my voice a little bit today. With all of the talking and teaching, it gets a little rough. So that was verses 1 and verses 2. Now, the great thing is that we only have 2 more verses. Now, the reason that this is good is verses 1 and 3 have the exact same opening steps. So just like verse 1, for verse 3, we're going to do our little bounce, bounce, back step together, step to the right, step to the left. The only difference is that there are new words for the end of this verse. So we just did step to the right, step to the left. This is the verse that you're going to sing when we reach, we can fly, no inside, we can make it. So on the word reach, you're going to take your right arm and your right foot and you're going to reach in front of you, and I mean super, super big. Like make it as big as you can. It is quick, but you have time to make it big. So that's on the word reach. We can fly. On the word fly, you're going to drag to the left nice and big. No inside. You're going to take your right foot and you're going to go in front and you're going to grab your arms together as you come up. And then you're going to sing, we can make it. On the word make, you're going to drag to the right and come back to center on the word it. So that verse, you're doing all of the movements based on what you're singing. So again, the beginning part is the same as verse 1. So we do bounce, bounce, back step together, step to the right, step to the left. Reach, we can fly, no inside, we can make it. All right, you learned 3 out of the 4 verses. So guess what? Verse 4, the beginning is exactly the same as verse 2. So let's just take a little reminder. The beginning of verse 2 is the one where we go both arms step, circle to the right, circle to the left. And this verse is the one where we sing, hold on, I gotta sing it. All in this together, this together, once we see there's a chance that we have and we take it. There we go, those are the words. So you did circle to the right, circle to the left. Once you're going to step forward on your right foot, see there's a chance. So on the word chance, you're going to bounce your arms on your shoulders. So again, you just finished circle to the right, circle to the left. See there's a chance. And the word chance, you also bring your feet together, or together as in like near each other. There's a chance that we have. On the word have, you're going to take your left foot forward and you're going to grab again as if you're hugging something close and you never want to let it go. That we have, and then on the word take it, you're going to back up. So that we have and we take it. All right, you only got one more portion. It's called the Wildcat Cheer. This is one of my favorite parts of this choreography. So before we get into that, let's do all 4 verses back to back. Woo! All right, let's do it. Here we go. So this is verse 1. Ready? We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're all in this together. Once we know that we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come. We're all in this together. And when we reach, we can fly. No, inside, we can make it. We're all in this together. And once we see there's a chance that we have, and we take it. Now, don't be deceived. You might be thinking right now, oh, this is kind of easy. Once we do it with music and at full tempo, it's way harder. So just keep that in mind. It's going to get a lot quicker real fast. So the last thing is the Wildcat Cheer. So this is where they're singing, Wildcats everywhere, wave your hands up in the air. So it's kind of like a cheer, stomp, marching kind of groovy thing. So on the word Wildcats, you're going to take your hands like they're claws, and you're going to claw to the right, to the left. So that's on Wildcats. Something like a cat. So we go Wildcats. On the word everywhere, you're going to take your right foot and you're going to step forward, step together. When you do that, you're going to take your arms and you're going to throw them in front of you and then drop them. So all together it looks like this. Wildcats everywhere. Cool? We're almost done. So you have wave your hands up in the air. So we're going to do a step forward. So we're going to go right, left, circle, circle. It's really, really quick, just warning you. So again, we just did Wildcats everywhere. Wave your hands up in the air. Now that's really slow. Full tempo looks like this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wildcats everywhere. Wave your hands up in the air. So it's really, really quick. The big thing is just to remember that you claw to the right, claw to the left. Forward step together. Forward step, back step, circle your arms. And you got it. All right. Let's finish it. So we just did wave your hands up in the air. Then you're going to sing, that's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Come on, everyone. And then that's the end of the song. So we're going to slide to the right. So we're going to go, that's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Come on. So right before you do that part, you're going to do 2 jumps and you're going to circle around yourself. So we just did the drags, so we're going to go, that's the way we do it, let's get to it, come on. Everyone, it can be any kind of pose that you want. And that's the end of the number. So let's go over that ending real quick, because that's really kind of fast. So we just did the whole wave your hands up in the air. You're going to slide to the right. That's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Come on, everyone. And that can be any kind of pose that you want to hit. And that's the whole song, guys. All right, let's try it once from the top. And then just like the first video, I'm going to do it 2 times with music. All right, here we go. Ready? We'll do it a little bit slow so that it's not too crazy. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. We're all in this together. Once we know that we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come. We're all in this together. We reach, we can fly, know inside, we can make it. We're all in this together. When we see there's a chance that we have, and we take it. Wildcats everywhere, wave your hands up in the air. That's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Come on, everyone. Great job, guys. All right, now it's time to do it with music. So feel free to watch this a bunch of times. Make sure you got it first, and then go ahead and try it with the music. I'll see you guys in the next video. Together's where we belong. We're all in this together. Once we know that we are, we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come. We're all in this together. When we reach, we can find no inside. We can make it. We're all in this together. Once we see, there's a chance that we have, and we take it. Wildcats everywhere. Wave your hands up in the air. That's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Come on, everyone. Woo! Together's where we belong. We're all in this together. Once we know that we are, we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come. We're all in this together. When we reach, we can find no inside. We can make it. We're all in this together. Once we see, there's a chance that we have, and we take it. Wildcats everywhere. Wave